Hello, and welcome to my tour of the Sea Fan Deluxe room at the Mandarava Resort and Spa. I was surprised at how quick check-in was and that we didn't have to leave a deposit. However, we did have to provide a credit card to keep on file. After check-in, one of the staff members drove us from the lobby to our room in this shuttle. Here we are arriving at our building. The staff did help us bring our bags up the stairs, which I appreciated because there were a lot of stairs. He then explained the resort's unique Do Not Disturb / housekeeping sign you see here. He also showed us the tap room key entry and helped us bring our bags in and explained a few more useful things before leaving. In the pics on the website, there's a vase here, but because it was missing from our room, we just used this space as a catch-all. The door had your standard hotel security, including a covered peephole, chain lock, and deadbolt. A key card has to be in this slot in order to keep the lights on. Onto the bathroom. The bathroom has what I call romantic lighting, which is very dim. So for the purpose of this video, I opened the blinds to let some extra light in. I really had a love-hate relationship with the lighting in this bathroom. I did love the shelving unit and the cute way they folded the towels into little bunny ears. Here we have some complimentary toiletries, some cotton pads, shower caps, cotton buds, and a first for me, a complimentary shaving kit. We have full-size bottle of lotion, a bar of soap, some glasses, and the sink. There wasn't anywhere near the sink to hang our hand towel, so we just rested it on the side of the sink. There's a phone, a bidet attachment for the toilet, a wastebasket, an extra roll of tissue paper, and under it, the flushing mechanism for the toilet. There's a sanitary bag, and this caution sign warning not to flush tissue or sanitary napkins. Later in the day, we called and confirmed that this is in fact including toilet tissue. We were told that the toilet could get stopped up if we flushed tissue. There is a nice big shower. And full-size shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The shower includes both a hose and rainfall shower heads, and the water pressure is amazing. There's a pretty big soaking tub with a standard spout and also a hose attachment. When I eventually went to take a bath, I found a thick coating of dust in the tub. To my surprise, both these drawers had water in them. The staff had someone out within 30 minutes to clean the water out of the drawers, but we still didn't use them, which turned out to be a wise decision because a few days later it rained overnight and the counter, floor, and drawers flooded. Here's the walk-in closet. There's a flashlight, a laundry bag, and 2 laundry service forms. The resort offers both dry cleaning and general laundry services. There's a blow dryer, and the instructions for the safe. The safe is your standard hotel room safe. Quick note, the room does not have an iron or an ironing board. The umbrellas and the tote bag were a nice touch that I wasn't expecting. There's 2 robes and a few removable hangers. There's 2 pair of slippers in different sizes. And last, a wall-length mirror. The dial in the middle controls the speed on the ceiling fan over the bed. The controller is for the air conditioning unit. The air conditioning worked great, which is a necessity in such a hot tropical climate. Over here is the desk space. This controller is for the TV. This is a guest satisfaction survey. This QR code takes you to the room and spa service menus. Here's a tissue box and a power outlet. Down here is the wastebasket with a thick plastic liner. Over on the nightstand closest to the door is a pen, notepad, and telephone. There is a reading light and a power outlet on both sides of the bed. Right here, we're just trying to figure out the lighting situation. The bed and pillows are on the firm side. I like the bed, but I didn't sleep on the pillows for the most part. The comforter is zipped into a covering that housekeeping changes every time they clean the room. I did pull all the coverings off the bed to check for bed bugs. I didn't expect to find any, but traveling within the US, you learn rather quickly to check the bed before you rest your head. During my check, I didn't find any bugs, but the mattress was heavily stained. This little nook is adorable, but the couch had some questionable stains on it. We had a small blanket with us, so I placed it over the couch so I would feel comfortable sitting on it. This view is nice, but wait till you see the view from the balcony. Over here we have the minibar area, which includes 2 complimentary water bottles, which housekeeping replaced as necessary. There's 2 covered glasses, 2 mugs, an electric kettle, some tea bags, sugar packets, coffee creamer, instant coffee, and a Swiss Army knife. Here we have some mini bar snacks and the cost sheet. Down here is the mini fridge. It's pretty standard and holds the remainder of the minibar items. Unfortunately, there is no microwave, which was a huge letdown for me as some of the room service items would arrive lukewarm and a microwave would have come in clutch. The smart TV was another letdown, as there were no streaming apps and no way to download them. There are satellite channels though. I absolutely love this balcony. It is my favorite thing about the room. The view and sounds of nature brought me so much peace during my stay. The drying rack was a nice touch, and we used it constantly. Some final details about the room. The Wi-Fi connection was good. It was a little spotty during rainstorms, but nothing major. I booked our room on hotels.com and it said the room was soundproof, but I could clearly hear our neighbors arguing on more than one occasion. Our stay was near the end of the slow season, so we didn't pay premium prices, but they also weren't the cheapest. We stayed 8 nights at $119.77 for a total of $1,142 after taxes. There are plenty of great hotels in Phuket that have more enticing price point, but didn't have everything I wanted. I usually am not that flexible when it comes to accommodations. I will save and pinch pennies on other things like the flight to stay at the best accommodation I can afford. Well, that's it for this video. If you got anything of value from my video, please like and leave a comment for the algorithm. If you have a question about the Sea Fan Deluxe room, the Mandarava Resort, or just budget traveling in general, please leave it below and I will answer it to the best of my ability. This is my first video and I have tons of footage from my trip to Thailand and years of experience adventuring around the world on a low income. I have a cruise into Cabo coming in March 2024, and I am currently planning my trip to Argentina. I have plenty of great content coming out, so if you are thinking about traveling to Phuket, Thailand, or just want tips on the best way to adventure on a budget, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!